Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can share Capcut project in mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Capcut application in my mobile phone, and if we want to share Capcut project, we have to upload our project to the Capcut space. If you want to get this Capcut space, you have to log into your Capcut with your Google account or your TikTok account. And here I have logged in. As you can see, I have logged into my Capcut with my TikTok account. And after you have logged in, you will be able to access the Capcut space. And after that, you just need to upload your project to a Capcut space. You can click on the three dots on the project like this, and you just need to click on upload space. Okay, and I have uploaded some projects to my Capcut space. I'm gonna open my space, just wait for a moment. Okay, and this is my Capcut space, and these are the projects I have uploaded. And if we want to share this project, we just need to click on share files, and we can click on share files, and you can click on from space because we want to share our project inside the Capcut space. Okay, and you can also invite collaborators to your space. You just need to click on this plus button like this, and you can invite your friends by Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or you can also copy your CapCut link. You just need to click on copy, and then you can share the link to your friends to invite them to your CapCut space, so you can collaborate with your friends in this project. And I guess that's how we can share CapCut project in mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.